Welcome to this video. I hope you're doing well. I've got a really good video for you here, and this video will help you if you want to know exactly how to do keyword research for any niche site. This one will deal with an Amazon affiliate site, but you could use this with ClickBank sites, any niche site where you're an affiliate or even your own sites, and it will cause your site to rank really fast. I'm going to guide you through it. I've got 4 steps for you, and you can expand on this, but I've got the first 4 steps where you can rank any niche site super fast. So we'll get straight into it. Just before we do, check out the link in the description, and I'll tell you why. Because it's the Black Friday offer for all my products for 2021, so you get all of them, and you get all my products for 2022 as well. And you get a webinar that will get you off the ground with niche sites, Amazon affiliate sites super fast. It's brand new, it's completely up to date. I'll let you see the page. I won't make it into a sales video, but the page is here. You can get there below, but the page is genuinely coming down in 1 day and 9 hours because I've set it up where this page will automatically appear. I haven't even changed the text on this. It's for other promotion that I was running, but here's the thing, the important thing. This will not be available as soon as the timer runs out. So if you want in, grab it. It's a fantastic offer if I do say so myself. Watch the video to see everything you get, and if you're interested in doing this stuff, it will literally give you everything that you need with Amazon if you're an Amazon affiliate or ClickBank. So if you're looking at building ClickBank sites, if you're looking at building funnels, if you're looking at building Amazon affiliate sites, if you're looking at ranking via SEO, if you're looking for some really cool niches, some really cool guides on how to rank for keywords and everything that you need. So I'll let you watch that. Just bear in mind it is coming down very shortly, so this is the last chance to get in. Okay, so let's get on with this keyword guide. I've got 4 things for you to show you, and it will rank any site really quickly. Number 1, a little bit about the niche. I've just picked an example niche here. It's a good one. I'll let you check it out and sort of delve into it because I want to get onto the keyword stuff for you. But this one is patio heaters. Really good niche, good price point. Let's get straight into the keyword stuff though. So the first thing that you want to do when you want to rank any Amazon affiliate site, any niche site in this case, if you were doing ClickBank, you'd do a product review for the main product, okay, or main products that you're promoting. But with Amazon, you want to go to the best sellers for the niche. So this is outdoor heaters. Let's go straight to the best sellers for outdoor heaters. And the first thing that you want to do is write product reviews for the top 10 or 20, okay? There's a few ways that I'd suggest doing it. I'd do the top 20 to flesh the site right out. The reason that I'm saying to do this is you will commonly find that you get sales just doing that, okay? There's more, don't worry, to make a proper site, but you commonly find you'll get sales just doing that step. So the top 10 or the top 20. Bear in mind, check out some of my other videos if you need help with writing reviews and how to do it and all of that stuff. I just want to cover the keyword stuff so you get ranked. And if you're really stuck and not sure how to get started, do take advantage of that Black Friday offer. It's ridiculously inexpensive, and it will show you exactly how to write the content and guide you through the whole thing. So if you've never done this before, you are going to need more help. You can either search around for it or just take advantage of that Black Friday offer. But you'd want to do the top 10 or the top 20. I recommend at least the top 10. The next thing that you want to do is go to the new releases here. These are the best selling new releases, and obviously don't write for the same products again, but pick out the products that weren't on the best sellers list and write for the top 5. Okay, so you might, if that's not on the best sellers list, you'd write for that one and so on. The reason that that's a good idea is because they always change, and they're products that are just coming into being popular. So you can get some really quick sales doing that. Okay, so that's the first thing. So step 1, we've now got a site of at least 10 product reviews and 5 new releases. Okay, and chances are, if you know how to build the site and you know how to structure it properly, you will have a site like the good old trusty Zero Turn Mower one that I'm going to flip. You can see here, real reviews. This is key, okay? So if you're doing the content and you're doing it, spinning it and all that, good luck with it. But I've never found anything like that to work. It needs real content to actually rank. So if you're following this, do it right and spend time on it, and it will work well for you. Okay, So the second step that you want to do, so let's say you've got a site with 10, 15 pages, product reviews. The second most important step before you even do keyword research is a buyer's guide. Now, if you're doing this with Amazon, it's easy. If you're doing it with ClickBank, I do a like sort of your first keyword article summing up everything about the product. So if you're doing it with Amazon, a buyer's guide is a buyer's guide. I'll show you that in a minute. If you're doing it with ClickBank and you were doing a diet program, you would do a like buyer's guide for, let's say it was on the keto diet, you do like an information article on keto, which is the best keto plan, and do a really informative article. The main point I'm trying to make here is the next piece of content should be something to link all those product reviews together. So in this case, buyer's guide, you can see it's really long buyer's guide, and I could put more links in on this and so on, but it's got the top 5 choices and it's linking back to those reviews. So you can see straight away that it works really well to link the stuff back, and that will help group everything together on the site. Okay, so you've got your buyer's guide that's linking back to your product reviews, and you've got your product reviews on the site. So you've got your product reviews and a big buyer's guide. The chances are you'll have sales then, okay, as long as you've got it all set up, search console and all of that stuff. So there is more in it. We're just talking about the keyword side of things here. If you want to learn how to do it all, get that offer, because I can't go through one video that explains the whole setup and everything unless we were here for hours, but you can learn how to do it relatively quickly. The next thing that you need, now we've got a site with 10, 15 product reviews and the buyer's guide, is easy keywords. So how do you find easy keywords? Well, I will show you. Okay, for this you're going to need a keyword tool. I recommend Ubersuggest just to start. Neil Patel's Ubersuggest. There's loads out there. I recommend paying for a keyword tool. Ubersuggest is actually quite expensive, but it's good to get an idea. So if you haven't got a keyword tool, use Ubersuggest and just do this. What you want to do, I've typed in patio heaters because that's the example niche I'm using. Then you go to keyword ideas, and this will bring up an idea of all the keywords, so you can see it's a good niche. Good amount of searches, really good. Gas, patio heaters and so on. So these are all really good key phrases. But what you want to do first, like we're going through step by step, we've done our product reviews, we've got our buyer's guide. The next step is easy keywords to add to your site, because you're fleshing out the site and getting the quickest possible results. What you want to do is go up here to SEO difficulty and click on easy. Okay, and then it will bring up all the easy keywords. Now what you'll commonly find is that with this tool it's not spot on, it's not absolutely accurate, and it doesn't need to be. You're just using it for an idea, okay? But what you will commonly find is that the easy key phrases, there's not many that you'll find with huge search volumes and so on, but it gives you an idea. If you do find some with great search volumes over 500, 1,000, that's good to use, okay? But in most cases what you'll have to do is go SEO difficulty and go to medium. This will still be quite easy to rank, and you can see here these are the first ones that you want to add. So what I would then do is write keyword content on these. So how cool is this, right? You've got your product reviews based on our little example, and you've got your buyer's guide. And then if we write an article and we call it the best propane patio heaters to buy in 2022, and then you write a few paragraphs saying, if you are looking for a propane patio heater, here's some things to watch out for, here's how they work, here's the pros and cons, and then you can link back to the product reviews that you've already done, because chances are there's some propane patio heaters in there. If you haven't got propane patio heaters on your site as of yet, then just write some reviews for them and link back to them. The main thing I'm explaining here is that what will add the strength to the keywords is that you're linking back to the product reviews that you've already done with really good content, and you already know that in terms of SEO difficulty it's not that hard, so you will rank on this stuff relatively quickly. Okay, electric patio heaters, same thing. I wouldn't bother with Costco when they're mentioning a certain store and so on. Gas patio heaters, tabletop patio heaters, there's gas patio heaters again. Natural gas patio heaters is still getting 5,400 searches. And there's rental, small patio heaters, 1,003, and so on. Okay, so you've got more than enough. What I would do is definitely do articles and content for all the key phrases over 1,000 searches. You've got 27,000 searches for propane patio heaters, and it's not even that competitive. So now you've got a site. I know this isn't something you can do in a day, guys. You just space out the content. I'll do another video on that. And again, the Black Friday offer has got everything that you need in how to plan out the site, and it's actually got you can download schedulers and planners and so on. The next step, now we've got a site, what have we done? We've got our product reviews, we've got the new releases, we've got a buyer's guide, and we've written at least 10 easy keywords that are going to rank. Now you've got a site of around about 25, 30 pages, okay? What's the next step? The next step is best for, okay? Here's the thing. We've done all that stuff, but one of the top, you could actually change around the order of this if you wanted and do this before the easy keywords, but I recommend doing it the way I've said. It wouldn't matter. When people buy, they're buying for a reason, okay? Especially like Amazon stuff. So patio heaters, best patio heater for winter, best patio heater for gazebo, best patio heater for large area. These are, you don't want to worry too much about the search volume for these. You just want to pick out some of the top ones that people would be looking for. So look at this. Best patio heater for winter. People are looking for them, okay? That's when they're buying them. Best patio heater for fall, and so on. And you can get further. All you do to get these key phrases is you just best patio heater. You just type it in, okay? Or what you can do is type in patio heater 4. There we go. So you got all parasol, winter, wall, gazebo, and you can get further key phrases by doing this, winter, and then using these key phrases, related key phrases in your content when you write that article. And the beauty is you've got all your product reviews on there and you can link back to them. Now you've got a site. What have we done? You've got the top products, you've got the top new releases, you've got a really cool buyer's guide that you can use some of the content that you're writing and link back to that buyer's guide to add strength to it. You know that you've got easy keywords and you've got usage people, so you're actually catering for people that are searching for a specific patio heater based on a specific circumstance. And then what you can do is branch out to the more advanced key phrases. So the last step, I know I said 4, but here's the 5th one. The next step is to just go for it then. Then you've got a site that will be ranking as long as you've got it on the search console, and then just go to any. Okay, go to, it's not loading up here, but go to any, go to all of them. It's still filtering it here, but go for the top key phrases, and you can link back to the content that you've got. You're going to have a good site, a good amount of content, and you will be picked up in terms of your keywords. Then you look at your stats and you see where you're picked up, where you're ranking, what's bringing in the traffic, what's bringing in the sales, and go to the keywords and go to the products that are bringing in the sales and focus on them, doing more keywords around the same sort of subject matter. And the other thing that you can do is you've then got a site that you can flip or you can keep. Okay, so that is a really, really simple plan. The only thing that you change if you're doing a ClickBank product is when you're doing your easy keywords like this, okay? If we're doing keto diet, if it lets me, here we go, keto diet, you do exactly the same thing, okay? So SEO difficulty, easy. 5,000 for keto diet for weight loss, keto diet how to start, and you do the same thing, okay? And then when you're doing your best for, you'd see the same thing occurring. Here we go. Best keto diet for weight loss, diabetics, beginners, cancer patients, belly fat, muscle gain, for me, seniors, fatty liver. In fact, there's more key phrases for it than Amazon. Okay, so that's how you do it. That's how you build a site out. and that's what will rank it really quickly. Follow that plan, and the only thing that you need to know now is how to write the content properly. If you're doing spun content, you're just chucking something out there, it will not work. Okay, you need to put work in, you need to schedule out the content, and you need to have a good niche and all of that stuff. Okay, but that's subject for another video. You can check out some of my previous videos as well. I've spoken about that stuff for years. If you want help with it, check out that Black Friday offer. It's coming down in a few hours. The link's in the description. Thanks for watching, guys. Give us a thumbs up if that helped. I appreciate it. It really helps me, and it lets me know that you're actually watching. Someone's out there that's got something from it. And have a fantastic day, and I'll speak to you soon.